everyone, I'm Ava and welcome to my beauty pantry, where it's all about positive aging and keeping it real. Today's video is the last video of a series of 3. In this video I'll show you my Feipushi routine for my eye area. If you haven't already checked out my full Feipushi routine video, I would highly recommend that you go and have a look at the beginning of that video, because I do explain in a little bit of detail why I use the movements that I do. So I'll link that in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, just spritz again with a bit of mineral water and apply the gel to the eyes and forehead. And a little bit more underneath the eye here. Turn your device back on to the level you're comfortable with. This can get a little bit bitey up here because I think it's because it's closer to the bone. So you might want to try your microcurrent device on a lower level. See how you go with that. So I'm going to start like this. So I lift up my brows and hold for 3. And to the side, lifting up. And then I go crossways, lifting up at the arch of the brow. And center, slowly working upwards. And on an angle, and then what I like to do is I like to just work it up like this for 2 bips. Just slowly. That's 2 bips. And once more. And underneath the eyes. For 3. And this way, 1, 2, 3. Of course, if this area is a real problem for you, you can do more passes. And then I just like to lift it up as I go outwards. and that's it. That is my routine. So that was my Feipushi routine for my eye area. As I've said in the other videos, we do have a Facebook group, a Feipushi Facebook group, and if you're interested in joining us, we'd love to see you there. I'll link that in the description box below also. I hope that you have gotten something out of this and you can adapt some or all of the routine to suit yourself. Well, that's it for today's video, and thank you for joining me again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you follow my journey. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.